If the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point h meters above a lake is x, the angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is y, then the distance of the cloud from the point of observation is. We have solved a similar problem earlier in, I think, so video number 67. So 66 or 67 it might be. Check that. Okay. Similar problem. Here we are standing at a height h, right? We are not at the lake level or river level, right? See, this is a lake or river, means water, and height h. I am not standing at the river level. I am at a h meters above. Okay. Now what is it? I am looking from here at a cloud. The angle is x. Now I am looking down from here only, and I am seeing the reflection of this cloud over here. Now the important point over here is, see here, I am already h meters above, and let the capital H be the distance between myself, means from vertical height, from B to C, from me to that C vertical height. Let it be capital H. Okay. So when I look down at this cloud in the reflection, what is the total vertical height between me and that reflection? That is h small h first, and then this total height h plus h, that will be fully reflected inside. So the vertical height will be h plus capital H upon h. This is what you have to remember always, because this is the only moot point or only trick in this problem. So let's solve this now. Tan x equals to what? Let's look at this figure. Yeah, tan x equals to what? Capital H upon AB. This is AB. Okay. Therefore AB equals to what? Capital H upon tan x. Okay. So tan y equals to what now? Depression angle. Tan y equals to, see this, h plus this distance, h plus h, right, upon AB. Okay. Therefore AB equals to what? H plus 2h, capital H plus 2 small h, upon tan y, right? But AB are same. So what we'll do? Equate them. H upon tan x equals to h plus 2h upon tan y. Remember this capital and small h. Therefore solve this. H cot x equals to h cot y plus 2h cot y. Take this tan y above, it becomes cot y, and remove the brackets. So h cot x equals to h cot y plus 2h cot y. Okay, let's combine h. So h on other side. Therefore h into cot x minus cot y equals to 2h cot y, right? Okay. Therefore capital H equals to what? 2h cot y upon cot x minus cot y. Okay. Now check the answer what is given in your options. If it is given in the cot, and this is similar to that, leave it here itself. If it's given in tan, then convert all these cots in terms of tan. So I have done that. 2h into 1 upon tan y, the whole upon 1 upon tan x minus 1 upon tan y. So 2h upon tan y, the whole upon tan y minus tan x upon tan x tan y. Okay. Now a upon b, the whole upon c upon d equals to ad upon bc. Remember this always. So what will you get over here? 2h tan x tan y upon tan y into tan y minus tan x, right, equals to 2h tan x, this tan y gets cancelled, upon tan y minus tan x. Okay. Now what do we want? We want AC. This point, this line we want, because distance of the cloud from the point of observation. So this is what we want. We don't want the vertical distance, right? We want the hypotenuse. So see this, sin x equals to now h upon AC. Okay. See this over here. So sin x equals to h upon AC, right? Therefore AC equals to h upon sin x, right? So h upon sin x means what? Put the value of h which we have got. So that is 2h tan x upon tan y minus tan x upon sin x. So this sin x will be down here, right? So solve it now. So 2h, now what is tan x? Sin x cos x. Sin x cos x upon sin x, right? This sin x down, into 1 upon tan y minus tan x, this one, right? So sin x gone. 2h cos x, 2h upon cos x into 10y minus 10x, right? Getting this point? Now check what is given in the exam. Generally it's given that 2h sec x, means this cos x is converted to sec x upon 10y minus 10x. Generally these are the answers given, but it depends on what your exam answers are. If they are given in terms of cot, then convert them to cot. If in tan, then convert them to tan from here itself. Don't go on solving, okay? From above only you can convert it over here, okay? So depending on the options given to you, if they give you in terms of sine and cos, then what will you do? Convert this tan y sine y cos y, tan x sin x upon cos x, right? And sec x 1 upon cos x. Then you can solve it that way also. Depends on what options are given to you. So this is the final answer. The distance is AC is 2h sec x upon 10y minus 10x. Next,